Good morning and welcome to all BSc second year students of Physical Science semester 4th online lecture series of paper 9th Fish Gear and Craft Technology. In this paper we have seen classification of fishing methods, then fabrication of fishing gear materials or fabrication of fishing gears, how these fishing gear these are to be fabricated. Then we have seen materials used in manufacturing of fishing gears. In these materials, how the nets or how the gears these are to be manufactured. In ancient time, these nets, these gears, these are to be manufactured by fishermen communities and fishermen families on small scale. But due to the modernization, due to the machinery, these are to be available today. And on this machinery, today, these nets, these are to be constructed, these are to be manufactured on large scale without human being. That's why these machinery manufacturing is to be essential, these are to be most important. For these manufacturing, in last part we have seen that how natural fiber these are to be used, and these natural fiber these are to be classified into two types. The fiber which is to be obtained from the animal called as animal fibers. Example, animal fibers examples are the wool obtained from sheep, hair obtained from animals, and silk obtained from the mudbed. Other type of natural fiber is the vegetable fibers or the plant fiber. The fiber which is to be obtained from the plants or vegetables for manufacturing of gears or nets. These fibers, these are called as the plant fibers or the vegetable fibers. Plant fibers are of again four types: bast fibers, then leaf fibers, then stem fibers, and the fruit fibers. These different fibers these are to be obtained from the plants. These are called as the plant fibers or the vegetable fibers. These plant fibers are four. Then next part or today's part we have seen materials used in manufacture of fishing gears, and these materials are the synthetic fibers. As modernization these are to be takes place, as modernization these are to be occur. In ancient times these natural material these are to be used, but as development these are to be proceed. Instead of this natural material, synthetic material these are to be developed, and this synthetic material these are to be used everywhere because its efficiency and creativity of these synthetic fibers these are to be superior as compared to the natural fibers, and hence every place, every gears and nets they can be manufactured, they can be prepared with the help of synthetic fibers. Today we have seen the synthetic fibers used in fish manufacturing gears. Yes, synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers manufactured by chemical synthesis from simple substances. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers manufactured by chemical synthesis from simple substances like phenol, benzene, acetylene, then prussic acid, etc. These various simple compounds, simple substances, with the help of these simple substances synthetic fibers can be prepared, synthetic fibers can be manufactured. These simple substances like phenol, from benzene, from acetylene, from picric acid, etc. These are the various different compounds, substances from which synthetic fiber these are to be manufactured, these are to be prepared. Depending upon the type of polymerization, four different groups of compounds can be identified which find use in fishing industry. Depending on the types of polymerization, 4 different groups of compounds can be identified which find use in fishing industry. These 4 different groups of polymerization, these compounds which are as: number 1, polycondensation. In the process of fiber making, polycondensation, the water is eliminated and fibers are produced. Polycondensation examples are polyamide PA and polyester PES. Polyamide and polyesters are the example of polycondensation. Some well-known trade names for polyamide are nylon, then amylon, Perlon, Capron. These nylon, amylon, Perlon, Capron are the examples of the polyamide. These are the polyamide, and those of polyesters are terylene and dacron. These are the examples of polyesters, that is terylene and dacron. We have remembered that in last 30 years in cotton also this polyester is famous. Everywhere or every human being, these are to be wear a cloth which is to be, or a cloth which is to be manufactured by polyester. But today this polyester is to be lower, it's minimizing its use. That is, these polycondensation forms two examples as polyamide PA and polyester. Polyamide comprises nylon, amylon, Perlon, Capron, and polyester comprises terylene and dacron. Introduction of synthetic materials with high tensile strength. Properties has made it possible to bring out changes in the design and size of fishing nets. Introduction of synthetic materials with high tensile strength properties has made it possible to bring out changes in the design and size of fishing nets. As the fishing industry become highly competitive, the search for new generation, the search and research for new generation materials which give better strength for less thickness resulted in invention of new materials. As the fishing industry becomes highly competitive, the search and research of new generation materials which give better strength for less thickness resulted in new invention, new material. These are to be formed for fishing industries. For the material, these are to be formed in fishing industry. Around or number of these fibers these are to produce, these are to be occur. Among these fibers, one is the armed fibers, Kelver fibers, then UHMP fibers, UHMWPE fibers or MP fibers, then biodegradable plastic, those plastic, these are to be decomposed within short time, within short period. It is called as biodegradable plastic. It is no doubt plastic, but that plastic, these are to be not long lasting, but it is to be in short, in minimum time it can be decomposed, it can be readily degraded. It is called as biodegradable plastic. It is a recent introductions to the fishing gear material sector. These are the recent discoveries, these are the recent materials to use in fishing gear material sector. These which are these, that is armed fibers, Kevlar fibers, then UHMP fibers, biodegradable plastic. All these are introduced, all these are to be discovered new material. These materials have advantages, especially less drag, which result in fuel efficiency. These materials are advantages, especially less drag. When these are to be dragging, these are to be less dragging. Their efficiency, these are to be used minimize. Minimum strength, these are to be used minimum power these are to be required and result in fuel efficiency, as these are to be used on craft ship. The fuel efficiency is to be minimized, minimum fuel these are to be required. That's why this material these are to be famous, this material these are to be most useful for the manufacture of fishing material. The performance of UHM WPE material or webbing, WPE material webbing and rope in Indian context is being studied by ICAR CIFT. The performance of UHMP WPE webbing and rope in the Indian context is being studied by ICAR Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and under Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that is Central Institute of Fisheries Technology, Central Institute of Fisheries Technology. These are to be discovered, these are to be developed, these UHM WPE webbing material which is to be more sensitive and more efficient material. These are to be discovered by ICAR CIFT. Polymeric compounds in this group, polymeric compound in this group, what is not eliminated during the chemical process. In polymeric compound in this group, water is not eliminated during the chemical process. Polyvinyl alcohol, PVAA, polyvinyl alcohol. What is the short form? Polyvinyl alcohol, P capital PVAA, and polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC come under this group. Polymeric compound, which are the polymeric compound? That is polyvinyl alcohol and polyvinyl chloride. PVC pipes, we have used PVC pipe for, that is water line or water storing capacity, or different pipelines in your farm, in your houses. For that purpose PVC pipe these are to be used. That is nothing but the polyvinyl chloride or polyvinyl alcohol. Remember that these are to be asked for MCQ. What is the long form of PVAA, or what is the full form of PVC? PVC is nothing but the polyvinyl chloride, or PVAA is nothing but the polyvinyl alcohol, and these polyvinyl alcohol or polyvinyl chloride, these are to be the product, these are the materials from the polymeric compound. Polyvinyl chloride was the first synthetic fiber. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, was the first synthetic fiber to be produced on an industrial scale, and also the first synthetic material used for fishing gear. Remember that. Again it is to be asked for MCQ. Which is the first synthetic fiber to produce, to capture the fish, or the materials which is to be used first time for the industrial scale? That is the polyvinyl chloride, PVC, was the first synthetic fiber to be produced and to be used, to be produced on industrial scale, and first time it is to be used for fishing gear, that is the polyvinyl chloride. Third group is the mixed polymers. Third group is the mixed polymers. These are formed by copolymerization. Mixed polymers are nothing but these mixed polymers, these are to be formed, these are to produce, these are to be formed, or these are to produce by the copolymerization of mixture of vinylidene and vinyl alcohol. It is the copolymerization of mixture of vinylidene and vinyl alcohol. For example, polyvinylidene chloride, PVD. For example, polyvinylidene chloride, PVD, is the best example of mixed polymers. Is the best example of mixed polymers. Mixed polymer is nothing but the formed of copolymerization of mixture of polyvinylide and vinyl alcohol. When these are to be combined and form a product, form a synthetic fiber, that fiber is called as mixed polymer. And good example of mixed polymer is the polyvinylidene chloride, PVD, is the example of mixed polymers. Then polyadditive compounds. Fourth compound is the polyadditive compound. Which are these? First is the polycondensation, second is the polymeric compound, third is the mixed polymer, and fourth is the polyadditive compound. When monomers of polymerize, when more monomers polymerize in a simple additive manner to form a polymer. Monomers polymerize in a simple additive manner to form a polymer, polyethylene PE and polypropylene PPE, which are the examples of polyadditive compound. Monomers are polymerized in a simple additive manner to form a polymer. That polymer is called as polyadditive compound, and example of polyadditive compound is the polyethylene, in short PE. PE is the example, or P is the full form of polyethylene, and polypropylene PP. Polypropylene is the example of polyadditive compound are included under this polyadditive compound. Means polycondensation first compound, polymeric compound second, third mixed polymers, and fourth is the polyadditive compound. These four compounds, these are to produce, these are to be used for the manufacture of the fishing materials or the fishing gear, and these materials, these are to be used. Classification of these fishing gear materials. Classification of these fishing gear materials, which are these. Second material group is the synthetic material. Synthetic material, these are to be categorized in a table form, in a chart form, which are as, which are these. Polycondensation. Polycondensation produce polyamide PA and polyester PS. Polyamide and polycondensation. These are the two synthetic material first produced, that is polycondensation. Second, from polymeric compound, again two compound these are to produce, two material these are to produce, that is polyvinyl alcohol PVAA and polyvinyl chloride PVC. These two are the polymeric compound. Third, mixed polymer. Mixed polymer, these are to be formed polyvinylidene chloride PVD. Polyvinylidene chloride, these are the mixed polymers. And fourth is the polyadditive compound. Polyadditive compound, these are to be formed, that is the polyethylene PE and polypropylene PP. These are the two polyadditive compound. Means with these synthetic material, four types of synthetic material these are to be formed, and these four types of synthetic material, these are to be used for manufacturing of, for the manufacturing of gear. Polycondensation, polymeric compound, mixed polymer, and polyadditive. In these synthetic material, first time on industrial scale and on fishing industry, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, is to be formed on industrial scale, and first time this material, these are to be used for manufacturing of nets. Hence this PVC is important as a synthetic material, as a synthetic fiber. Up to here we have seen the synthetic material, four types of synthetic material these are to produce, and these four types of synthetic material, these are to be used to manufacture the nets or gear. See, this is the nets which is to be operated by fishermen, and in this net number of fishes, these are to be entangled. These nets, these are to be manufactured. These nets, these are to be prepared by these synthetic fibers which is to be used, and these synthetic fiber, these are to be important to use to manufacture the gears, and these gears, these are to be more efficiency and more effective to capture the fishes. With this first part of the synthetic fiber, only four material these are to be used. Next synthetic material we have seen next part. Up to here only four compounds these are to be we have seen. Thank you all of you. Again, any problem, any difficulties, please ask.